Hello, folks. This is Matthew Irvin. I'm your course facilitator. Just wanted to bring everybody up to speed, with the exception of a couple of folks who need to complete the departmental quiz, which is found over here. You go to content and you go down course overview, and you go to the end, right? And you click that and you take the quiz and you get 10 out of 10 right. You can take it as many times as you want. And most everybody's done that already and is moving forward. If you haven't, you have until tomorrow, Tuesday, at 11/5/2019 to finish that. Otherwise, you can't unlock the textbook. But let's go back to let's go back here to the home page. If you go to the home page of the course, now I'm in the process of updating, getting things updated. What I'm trying to do is to extend the due date for everything from Friday, which was at 8 a.m. To Sunday at 11:50 p.m. so that you can have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to work on stuff. I'm running into a couple of problems at the end of the course. So I'm going to ask your patience as I get the syllabus updated, where you need to go to find out what you need to do next when the test is. We have a test coming up that's due on the 10th, which is that's going to be Monday. That's Sunday night, and I'll talk about that in a second. But here you have the department pre-assessment availability quiz, chapter 1. All these things end. Now I've extended. This is kind of messy here at the beginning because I had a couple of people who needed to catch up. Most everybody has done this. I'm in the process of grading the first substantial assignments, and I'll have your grades posted by the end of Wednesday. Okay. So basically, we're all the way up now to November 10th. You have the culture, which is over here under content. If I look under here, if you look down here, you'll see week 1, right? Okay. So you already have a chapter in week 1, okay, with assignments that were due, and most people did a fine job, and they've done those. You posted your discussion, okay. Week 2, okay. I'm just going to move through these weeks, okay. Week 2, your assignment is you have research methods due November 10th. Research, and that's a quiz, a Dropbox assignment there, and then you usually have 2 topics. So let's go down here. You have culture and a culture treasure hunt, which are due November 10th. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing in week 2. Okay, you also have a test. Okay, if we go back here, we see test part A ends and test part B is there. Okay, so I'm looking to see where the content is. You should see under assignments, okay, week 3, socialization. For some reason, again, I'm still working through trying to get this correctly done. Okay, but this should be. I'm going to go back down here and correct this. I need to do this. Let me go back up here and change this. Okay, down here, that should be it should be November 17th. Let me go back down here and change that. Okay. Okay, let's see here. That should be November 17th at 10:59 p.m. 11:59 p.m. I'll update that. That's actually the wrong. The title of that. That's not called chemical practice. Okay, view edit. That's going to be agents of socialization. I don't know. community of practice is an entirely different thing. Okay. All right. Okay. And that's going to be due on, that's going to be due the 17th at 10:59, 11:59 p.m. Okay. Test 1 is going to be due, we can't possibly have that until the 17th. That's going to be p.m. as well as part 2. Okay. Now, all right, update that. Update that. Update that. Okay. These will now appear in your calendar as due on November 17th. And that should take us up through these chapters here. Okay. That's week 3. Okay. It's the end of week 3. Okay. So what do we do? How do we look at this? I'm going to go back to look now as a student. I'm going to change this and I'm going to go back here, and you now see, right, you know, that these dates appear on the calendar, right, as you know, when the tests are due. And you can go over here and you can look here and you can see what's due tomorrow, what's due coming up. You have to ignore this. This gives me my entire calendar here. But you should be able to see your calendar for the class. You know, if you look, if you go back here and we look at the calendar, okay? You know, and so what you're going to need to do, okay? You attend V. Sinclair, okay? You attend attendance, okay? So I'm going to click yes, okay? Anyway, what I'm in the process of doing is lining up. There's a couple of places toward the end of the semester, which is short, which I'm squaring away now. But this gets you at least up through the 17th. So please look here. I have not, you know, the syllabus and the due dates and everything doesn't automatically sync up, and it's not, you know, I have to go back through and make sure that I do that. So basically, if you can please just bear with me and look here, this will tell you what you need to do. Thanks.